Akshardham to me is peace. My name is Ilupi. I am from Houston, Texas. The divinity and then the peace that I feel here is definitely much different than I can even experience at home. This place has its completely different aura. So everyone has their own aura. I've been seeing that there's just so many Hari Bhaktos who are here. They're all coming from different walks of life. Somebody who's a doctor, engineer, accountant, pharmacist. But then here, everybody's coming together and then helping build this place of God. One of the things that I've learned from here is the commitment and then the dedication. They are coming from different centers, and they have either challenging careers, they're in school, and then they have given up everything. And that's just amazing. It's mind-boggling, and it's humbling experience. So that's what's been constantly going on in my mind.